The winner of the 2015 Gran Turismo Awards at SEMA was an S30 Datsun Z, nicknamed the Fugu Z. The car was built by the actor Kang, known for his role in the Fast and the Furious movie series. It is based on a 1973 240Z, which he bought in a stock state, and it was custom built to his desired specifications. The most notable feature of the exterior is the Rocket Bunny body kit, consisting of very wide fenders and front and rear spoilers. And of course, the car is not just for looks. The engine is the famed RB26 DET from the Skyline GTR, converted to natural aspiration. With mechanical tuning, it brings its power up to 216 brake horsepower. Using E85 IndyCar fuel, it can produce about 295.9 brake horsepower. To withstand this power, a roll cage is welded to the interior. In order to reduce weight, the dashboard and console are custom made by Carbon Signal. The name of the car, Fugu, refers to the Japanese poisonous pufferfish. The fish is very poisonous, so it can lead to death if not treated properly. And the same can be said for the car. If you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, or follow.